Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Yaris 2024 model. In this car I have a problem, parking sensor not working. So in this video I will show you and explain you whole process how you can solve this problem. Because in this car parking sensor not working. Here you can see I try to on off, but this is not working. See, that's the problem. So first of all, check with diagnosis tool. I already check it, but there is no communication. Some problem, I think buzzer or parking sensor computer, anything it happened. Okay, first of all we check where is the parking sensor computer. Okay, parking sensor is same is backside in inside the trunk. So now we check. Here is the trunk, and check this out. Here is the computer for parking sensor. See, I will show you. See, corner sensor module. Okay, here is the wiring color code. Okay, so parking sensor ECM is good, there is no damage, everything is perfect. So now we check parking sensor buzzer. Okay, so where is the buzzer in this car? So I already remove everything. You can see already front side, passenger side, everything as I remove, cause I search for this parking sensor buzzer, cause I think sometimes if buzzer problem same happen, parking sensor also not working. Okay, so I check everywhere, there is no parking buzzer. So passenger side I search it, cause here you can see parking sensor wiring go that way. Then I remove this cover and check here. Here is the parking sensor wire go in that side, and then I can see here this wiring, one buzzer wire, but there is no buzzer. I remove already everything because I want to search it buzzer, that's why. And here you can see one wire, that means buzzer missing. I think someone removed before or accident car, I don't know what happened, but buzzer is not there. That's the problem, parking sensor not working. So this is not original for this car, but I have this one, that's why I want to check if parking sensor working, that's why I make it. And now I fix it and check. This wire I already fix it. Okay, now check. Ignition on and press this. See, before this is not working, but now this switch working properly. Okay, now I turn on and start car. Go little bit front. See, now parking sensor working. You can hear sound. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.